Adding subscribe button to your YouTube videos is a very important thing, and also it's very easy. I'm going to show that in this video, so stay tuned. At first, be on your channel and click here Creator Studio. Now go to the left side column and here Channel, click here and then click here Branding. So now here's the option add a watermark. So basically this watermark will be your subscribe button. So now here are the conditions for best results. Use transparency and just one color for the photo, and the file format should be PNG or GIF, and the file size should be 1 megabyte. Now click here choose file and select your photo or your subscribe button. So here is mine, open, and it has been selected here. It's a PNG file. Now click on save. Okay, it has come, and now click on save again. So here they're showing how it will look. So this is the video and the full display, and the right side corner below there will be your subscribe button or your watermark, and this watermark will be shown on all your uploads. So here is another thing. You can show your subscribe button in any of these three ways: end of video or custom start time or entire video. If it's custom start time, then you can also fix the time when you want to show it, but I am going to select the entire video option so that the watermark will be shown in the entire video. So now click here update. It's done. So this is it. Although YouTube changes its features from time to time, the basic things remain almost the same. So I think this video will be helpful for many of you. So as always, help yourself, help others, take care. And if you like this video and find it helpful, then